is the hydraulic press calibrated. Just finished, ready for the next run.
That's tight. All clear.
The stress load on this section of the lattice is too high.
If we reinforce nodes 7 through 9,
alignment looks good, lock it in. Engaging the pylon now.
sequence initiated. Connection points D5 and E7 are live.
D5 secure, moving to E7.
E7 locked. Power levels stable.
Connect the yellow harness to port 7. Confirm the connection status on the tablet. Secure the primary conduit here.
Adjusting the frequency dial now.
Confirming calibration sequence initiated.
Reroute power coupling yellow 1. Verify connection integrity.
Connection secure. Locking interface module.
System stabilizing. Assembly complete.
J3 connector secure. Hand me the tool.
Verified on my end. Systems showing nominal power.
Final coupling engaged. Ready for operation.
The shine isn't consistent yet.
The buffer arm is calibrated, we're running it again.
Almost there.
The starboard engine readings are fluctuating. Check the stabilization matrix.
Copy that. Running level diagnostics now.
Hold it steady right there. I'm tightening the component now.